cake with only 2 milliliters and no baking. In a bowl here, I will start cracking 2 eggs, and I'm going to separate the yolk from the white. Let's now add our yolk. And we're going to beat our egg white really well until it turns white and fluffy. When it's like this, we'll set it aside. Now in our yolk, we will add 3 tablespoons of hazelnut or Nutella. Now we're going to mix all of this together really well. And this now is the ideal state. Once that's done, now we're going to slowly add our egg white. Let's add and mix. This is the perfect point. Now we just have to take it and move it to a smaller bowl. Once this is done, we will take it to the air fryer and we'll set it at 150 degrees and for at least 15 minutes or until golden brown. And look guys, our cake is ready. Super quick, easy, and delicious. Make it at your home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed it. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. That big hug. See you next time, and it was worth it.